Speaking of vehicles, futuristic vehicles, you already knew about the Cybertruck. It's this futuristic vehicle we're actually going to be able to get. However, in the meantime, people's enthusiasm for it is off the charts. We talked about replicas in the past, but this is a whole different level.
Yeah.
As you can see here, we have the amazing cardboard Tesla Cybertruck capable of actual off-roading. Turn on the sound effects a little bit here, Will. You're going to really appreciate this.
Everything will be manifested to the outside, to the omnidirectional.
Oh, you're getting audio
flaps.
from the previous, from the Mercedes guy.
Because it's an artificial intelligence.
There we go.
Yeah, do me a favor and just rewind this a little bit. Rewind the cardboard Cybertruck and get the sound effects going. Listen to this.
Jesus.
He's got real metal sound effects. This is an actual off-roading cardboard Cybertruck construction video. You can kill the music there now. And it has an ATV to go with it. And the whole thing is drivable. I don't know that I've ever seen fandom or enthusiasm around an upcoming vehicle to the same extent as the Cybertruck. Where people are just full out building. And there's an audience for it.
Yeah.
Look at, he has a suspension on this thing. Legit suspension. And popsicle sticks.
Yeah, quite a few. Cardboard.
This is a little DIY project. And now it's not as elaborate as the guy who just built an actual DIY Cybertruck. This is more of an arts and crafts version, but I am impressed by the treads. I am impressed with its ability to actually go off-road like an RC vehicle. I am impressed with its ability to fit a tiny little ATV in the trunk. So anyway, you can find this, I guess it's on YouTube. You can go watch this video of the DIY project. What is the name of the channel? Just so we get a proper shout out going here. Lieberman. He's got almost 1 million subscribers. It is the DIY cardboard Cybertruck. Maybe not quite as cool as a Mercedes vehicle, but not far off.